Right, let's talk travel pillows. If you're anything like me, you probably scoffed at those U-shaped cushions you see dangling from every airport backpack. But then, after one too many red-eye flights with a stiff neck, you caved in and bought one only to discover it didn't quite live up to the hype. But now there's a clever new twist. This isn't just any U-shaped pillow, it's a travel pillow that doubles as a sort of mini suitcase. That's right, you can actually fill it with your own clothes and daily necessities. So you get neck support and a bit of extra packing room. Genius, right? Let's take it for a spin. First off, the design. It's got a discreet zip running along the side, opening up a pocket where you can stuff socks, t-shirts, or even a lightweight jumper. I managed to fit in a small jumper, a pair of socks, and a charging cable. You can really tailor the firmness as well, depending on how much you pack inside. Want it plush? Go light on the clothes. Prefer more support? Pack it tight. It's totally customizable. Now here's where it gets practical. Let's face it, airlines are getting stricter about baggage these days. With this pillow, you're sneaking a few extra bits into your hand luggage without raising any eyebrows. Security never bats an eyelid. It just looks like a regular pillow. But as soon as you're on the plane, you've got spare clothes at your fingertips and a comfy place to rest your head. On a recent 8-hour flight, I gave it a proper test. It held its shape nicely, no sagging, no awkward shifting. The fabric's soft and surprisingly breathable, so you don't end up with that sweaty neck feeling halfway through the flight. Plus, post-landing, I just unzipped it, pulled out my jumper, and strolled off the plane ready for whatever weather greeted me. Of course, it's not perfect. If you overpack it, it can get a bit lumpy, so there's a sweet spot to aim for. And it's not going to replace your main bag, but for those little extras, it's spot on. So, is it an essential for flying? If you like to travel light, hate checked bag fees, or just want a pillow that actually does something clever, I'd say yes. It's a small tweak to your travel routine that makes a big difference. Would you give this travel pillow a go? Let me know your thoughts below, and as always, safe travel.